Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start our new lesson, lesson number 8, Who is Heavier? So, all of you please take out your textbook, take the new lesson, lesson number 8, Who is Heavier, on page number 113. Before moving on to the lesson, let us learn something about the lesson. This lesson, the name of the lesson is Who is Heavier? In this lesson, we are going to learn about weight and measurement of weight. Okay, so heavier means the one which is having more weight. That is known as heavier. And the one which is having less weight is known as lighter. So, who is heavier is the lesson name. And as I told you, we are going to learn about weight and measurement of weight. For that, we use standard units to measure weights of various objects around us. So, for different objects, we have to use standard units to measure the weight. And the units of measuring weights are kilogram, kilogram, gram, and milligram. Kilogram can be written in short form as kg, gram as g, and milligram as mg. So, these are some of the units which is used for measuring weight. See here, you can see here a picture. Here gram for lighter objects such as pencil, book, etc. In order to measure the weight of lighter objects such as pencil, book, pen, for such things what we will use? We will use gram for measuring lighter objects. So, gram is the standard unit used for measuring lighter objects such as pencil, books, pen, comb, like that. Okay. Then milligrams are used for lightest objects such as medicine, tablets, etc. You know that milligrams are small weights which are used for measuring lightest objects, not lighter, lightest objects such as medicine. You have seen tablets, medicine. If you are having fever, the doctor will give you a medicine, a bottle, small bottle, and will ask you to drink small milliliter of medicines. It is in measurement. Small lid will be provided with measurements. Using that, your mother will provide you the medicine. And you have also seen the tablets, small tablet medicines. That all are in milligrams. That are measured in milligrams because it is very light. That is known as lightest objects because it is very light. So they are measured in milligrams. Okay, and kilograms. Mostly we use kilograms. Kilograms are the units of measurement for heavier objects such as wheat bags, cement bags, oil can, etc. Kilograms are mostly used, for example, for buying vegetables. If you buy vegetables, you will buy vegetables 1 kg potato, 1 kilogram potato, 1 kilogram onion, like that you will buy the vegetables. For that we use kilograms. Other things like wheat, rice, sugar, all these are purchased in kilograms and we use the measurement. We use kilogram as the unit of measurement and mostly use this kilogram only. And see here, 1 gram, the unit of measurement 1 gram means 1000 milligram. That means 1000 milligram form 1 gram. Likewise, 1 kilogram is 1000 gram. For example, if you want half kilogram of vegetables, that is, for example, let us take lady's finger. So if you want to purchase half kilogram of lady's finger, have you seen which measurement thing is used? You can see 500 gram written on the measurement weight which the vegetable seller or green grocer use for balancing. You have seen various balancing machines. Let us see some of the balancing machines here. See here, this is a beam balance which is mostly used to measure the weight of light things. For gold, medicines, small things in milligrams we can measure this. This can be used in milligrams and grams, small grams. Below 10 grams you can use this to measure below 10 grams, 20 grams. Like that things we can use this beam balance to measure it. This you have commonly seen in the shops and with vegetable sellers. Have you seen this? Yes. For, as I told you, half kg, 500 gram. If you are purchasing half kg of lady's finger, you can see a weight object, weighing object is having kept here, which is written as 500 gram, that is half kg. For 1 kg you can see 1 written over that weighing object, and the what we are purchasing, that is kept in this, and they will balance this. Okay, so these are the weighing balances. And this one, electronic weighing machine, this is used to measure larger or more quantity of things. If I want to purchase 10 kg, 20 kg of wheat, rice, like that, it will be measured using this, because this can measure more heavier objects. Okay, so these are some of the machines used for weighing the objects. So what are the basic things we learned today regarding this measurement of weight, or regarding the weight? Some of the things are, there are some standard units of measurement for various objects, and units of measuring weight are kilogram, gram and milligram. And kilogram is used for weighing heavy objects, and grams are used for weighing lighter objects such as pencil, books, etc., and milligrams for lightest objects such as medicine, tablets, etc. Okay, now let us move on to our lesson. Okay, who is heavier? Girl, that means jaggery and groundnuts. Shabnam loved to eat jaggery and groundnuts. One day she bought 1 kilogram of jaggery and 1 kilogram of groundnuts. You know that kilogram is written as kg. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to learn about this girl named Shabnam, and she loved to eat jaggery and groundnuts. Jaggery, you know, good, and she loves to eat jaggery and groundnuts. She likes it the most. And one day she bought 1 kilogram of jaggery and 1 kilogram of groundnut. One day her mother asked her to purchase 1 kilogram of jaggery as well as 1 kilogram of groundnuts. So see here, this woman is selling groundnuts, and this man is selling girl, that means jaggery, and she purchased both 1 kilogram. See, these groundnuts both are weighing the same, both are 1 kilogram. Oh, the groundnuts look so much more than the jaggery. See here, groundnut, look, 1 kilogram of groundnut she have to pack in a big bag, and you can see the jaggery, it is packed in a small bag. Okay, are the groundnuts really more than jaggery in weight, or do they just look more? So what is the question? Here the question is that, are the groundnuts more than that of jaggery, or whether their weight are equal, or just they look more? What is the real thing? Yes, what is the real thing is that both are of same weight, both are 1 kilogram of weight. As the groundnuts is lighter than that of jaggery, it needs a heavy bag. You know, groundnuts are very light, so it is lighter than the jaggery. You know, jaggery's weight is more than that of groundnut. Like sugar, jaggery's weight is almost similar to that of sugar. So you know, 1 kilogram of jaggery, how much it looks. Right? It needs a small bag, but instead, how much 1 kilogram of groundnut, it will be of large quantity in when we look, but it is actually 1 kilogram. Both are 1 kilogram. As groundnut is lighter than that of jaggery, it looks more. So actually what they just look more, but they are equal in weight. Now guess for which of these you need a bigger bag. You can see here some examples are being given. 1 kilogram popcorn or 1 kilogram sugar. So which do you think need a bigger bag? You know, 1 kilogram sugar. Your mother always purchases 1 kilogram sugar, 2 kilogram sugar from the grocery shop. And how much it looks, 1 kilogram sugar? it will be in a small packet. You can bring it in a small bag. You know that. And 1 kilogram popcorn, you are very used to eating of popcorn. When you go for watching movies in a theater, in the break time, in the interval time, you bring popcorn and you will eat the popcorn. So a small box of 100 gram, it is it a small box which you buy maybe 100 grams, but how much it look, it seems to be very big. You hold it with both the hands, to stop it from spilling out, isn't it? And it looks small. Why? Because popcorn is lighter than that of sugar. So which need a bigger bag? 1 kilogram popcorn, you have to go with a big bag. Your school bag will not be enough to fill up the 1 kilogram popcorn. You need a 25 kg of rice bag or wheat bag to bring 1 kilogram popcorn, because that is too lighter than that of the sugar. For sugar, you need a small bag. Small polythene bag is enough to bring 1 kilogram sugar. But in order to bring 1 kilogram popcorn, you need a big bag, a very, very big bag, because it is more lighter than that of sugar. So which you think need a bigger bag? 1 kilogram popcorn need a bigger bag. So this need a bigger bag. Okay. Now second question is 1 kilogram peas or 1 kilogram potatoes. Which do you think is need a bigger bag? You know that 1 kilogram potato, how much it will be. And 1 kilogram peas, usually 1 kilogram peas, green peas. How much it will be? It needs a big bag than that of potatoes, because it is lighter than that of potatoes. So you can tick this, because 1 kilogram peas need a bigger bag than that of potatoes. Go to the market and check if your guess is right. If you have some confusion in this, in order to confirm this, whether which is heavier or which need bigger bag, go to the market, buy 1 kilogram potato and purchase 1 kilogram peas also. Put it in 2 bags. Which bag do you see the big one? Which need bigger bag? Go and check in the market. Go to the market, and when you, not tomorrow itself, when your mother is going to the market, along with them, go to the market, buy 1 kilogram potato as well as 1 kilogram peas, put in 2 different bags, which need a bigger bag, see it and find out whether your guess is right or not, whether we have done 1 kilogram peas need bigger bag, whether it is right or not, check it out. Okay. As well as this also you have to find out 1 kilogram sugar and 1 kilogram popcorn, that also you have to find out. Okay. So next page is pumpkin tomato panga. This we can do in the next class. Read this session. This is very interesting. And read this one, pumpkin tomato panga. I will explain it tomorrow. Till then, let us wind up the session for today. Thank you.